Okay, for all those guys who are struggling to get 360 images for their ThingLinks or to do in VR, here's an easy way to almost get any VR 360 on the planet. No cameras required, okay? First thing you want to do is jump over to this site and download this software. Small piece of software, it's free. Street View Download 360. Download it. When you download it, it looks like this, okay? And you can see up the top, you paste in the URL of what you're asking me. It's the URL of a straightforward Google Maps. So you go to Google Maps, okay? Find the place that you want to come. So let's just say this is Scotland, so you want to get somewhere in Glasgow. Let's say George Square. You fire into George Square, you click on the image, and in the bottom it'll actually tell you, do you want to see the 360 view? Yes, you do. So you want to see the 360 view, so you go straight to it. So here I've picked obviously George Square. This is it here. This is the 360 street view, yeah? All you do is copy the URL from the top, right? And then you go back over to Downloader. Here you are in Downloader. You can see it. Give it a name, obviously. Here I'm just going to dump, I've just called it Glasgow JPEG, and it's going to chuck it on the desktop. I just fire it in here, a single panorama. I just go in and I copy and paste in the URL. That is the URL of Google Maps 360, the one I just showed you. One thing to take note of is the resolution here. I dropped the resolution down. I want you to drop it down to just over 6,000. That way it will go straight into ThingLink. If you go for the higher resolution, it won't take it, okay? So just go for the 6656 be 3328, okay? And just download it, and boom, that's it. It'll do it automatically, okay? So super easy way of doing it, and I've put it in the procedures list. So if you look on Google Classroom, you'll see the procedures form. Okay, it's in there. But if you follow that little tutorial, then you'll have any 360 that you want. Okay, and if you want to do a tour of a city, or you want it to just one particular shot, of Dubai or anywhere in Pakistan or India or Ghana or Nigeria, take your pick. Wherever Google's been, you can get that 360. Okay, as easy as that. Cheers, guys. Bye.